Hey Ofra Beauties. If you don't know me, my name is Galore. I am a beauty influencer and content creator. Today we are going to be creating this very soft and glowy makeup look using Ofra influencer collabs. Before we hop into it, please make sure that you hit subscribe on the Ofra YouTube channel, and let's hop right into the tutorial. Alright, so we are going to get started on the face, and first we are going to go into brows. So the first product we're going to be using is from Faves Bundle. We're going to be using the Precision Gel, and this is in dark brown. And with an angled brow brush, I'm just going to start to create strokes and just fill in my brows. My brows are a little bit scarce, so this is going to help them to become a lot fuller. And this brow gel is a semi-permanent gel, so it has a lot of staying power, and that is what I love about this. And a little bit of this gel does go a long way, so you don't have to use a whole lot to get the brow look that you're going for. So the brow is sculpted and the eye is primed. We are going to hop into the eyes. The palette that we're going to be using today is the Galore 91 Signature Palette, and I am going to take a blending brush and dip into Raisin first in our crease. First, I'm going to stamp that shade into the crease, and then I'm going to take circular motions and blend it out. And I am also bringing this shade a little bit over the lid so that we can create kind of a soft cut crease type of look. On the lid, I'm going to press into Bittersweet, and that is this shade right here in the middle. And I'm just going to press this onto the lid, and it gives just a beautiful color payoff, but we're going for more, like I said, a very soft type of cut crease look. And I'm going soft around that shade where it's meeting Raisin so that it can be nice and blended. And to add a slight bit of depth to this, I'm gonna go into Wahida's Mixed Face palette. I'm gonna go into this deep dark brown shade here in the corner, which is called Brown. And right in the corner, I'm gonna use that just to deepen up this color, right in the perimeter of where it meets the lighter shade. So for our inner corner highlight, I am gonna mix two shades from both of these palettes. I'm gonna go into this shade Blissful here in the Signature palette, while also mixing it with Sahara Dawn from this palette as well. Faves Bundle does include the Verified Black Liquid Eyeliner, so I am gonna go ahead and use this to give us a wing today. And those are our eyes today. Let's back up a little bit and get to the face. So for primer, I'm going to use my Cool as a Cucumber face primer, and this is just to prep our skin for our full face of foundation that we are about to put on. For foundation, I'm going to go into my Absolute Cover foundation. This is in the number 8, and I absolutely love this foundation. Every time I use it, it just has the most beautiful finish on the skin, and I am in love. Y'all, I am loving these eyes. It's nothing like, especially like for the fall season, to have just like a blended, beautiful eye, especially like a two-tone one like we're doing today. I am here for it. So I've added some concealer to the face, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my Ofra sponge, which is my absolute favorite sponge. It is always in my hand, and it's like the one that I always reach for. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Derma Mineral Loose Powders, and the first one I'm gonna go into is Sandy Beach. I'm gonna use this to set the highlighted areas of my face, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Cocoa to set the rest of my foundation. I'm gonna dip back into Wahida's palette and dip back into the shade Brown for the under eye, because I just want to smoke it out a little bit, and this just helps to give us some continuity for the rest of the eye. So we're kind of just bringing the vibe from up top down to the bottom. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna dip back into Sahara Dawn in this palette as well, and just do that on the bottom lash line right in the corner. So to finish off the face, we're gonna go into the Mary & Palettes Colorful Mix Face Palette. We are going to use the Versatile Matte Bronzer today to bronze the face. And I'm just going to be placing this bronzer around the perimeter of my face, as well as to accentuate my cheekbones as well. We're also going to dip into this palette for a blush. So we're going to dip into this shade Punch right here and use this as a blush on the cheeks. And I feel like this color ties in really well with the shade that we used on the eyes, or like the color palette that we used on the eyes. It just kind of pulls the whole look together. For our highlighter today, we are going to be using the Blush Highlighter Duo Compact, and this one is from Cameron White Beauty. And we're going to dip into the highlighter side of this, and just start to highlight the face just to give us a little extra shine and shimmer to the matte face we have created. Oh, that is so pretty. I love how this shade kind of ties into our inner corner highlight a little bit. I'm kind of just bringing this highlight up a little bit, kind of in this C shape, so that we have like that natural kiss by the sun highlight. So before we do lips, I'm just gonna spray my face with my Rose makeup fixer and then press it into the skin. And then we are going to go to lips. For lips, we're gonna do a combination of both of the Influencer Lip Duo sets. We're gonna use the Brooklyn liquid lipstick from the Galore 91 set. And we're kind of gonna use this as a liner around the lips. And then I'm just gonna blot and kind of create just that barrier around the lips. And then on the middle part of our lips, I am gonna go into the liquid lipstick in Sao Paulo. And this is from the Cameron White Beauty Lip Duo. And we're gonna place this right in the middle of the lips. And then I'm gonna blot it to get kind of like a ombre feel. I love a good ombre lip. So I felt like these two shades together were gonna work really, really well to create a beautiful ombre lip that kind of matches our eyes. And that is our finished look using all of the influencer products. I feel like this look is nice and soft, but also very glowy, so it's perfect for the season, and it's just a really, really cute look that you can do on the weekend. All right, Ofra Beauties, that wraps it up for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure that you hit subscribe on the Ofra YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.